Team Fullest. So excuse the sound of my voice. I'm having some high colds and allergic reactions. So if my voice sound off, please excuse me. I want to share with you guys some of the snacks that I have been making that I've been really loving for the past months. I have been really just freestyling with the snacks because just during lunchtime I just want to make like simple things that wouldn't take me that long in the kitchen, and also at the same time healthy. So one thing that I've been craving a lot is avocado. Yes, I have been craving a lot of avocado, so I've been trying to do different things using avocado. So today I thought, you know what, let me just freestyle some avocado, onions and garlic and some lemon and some black pepper and eat it with beschuit. I really love beschuit. You can eat beschuit with so many things. You can put so many things on top of it if you want to. You can eat it with cheese. You can eat it with this salad. There's this salad they sell in the store, but I just like to just make my own things. I really don't like to buy all of this salad in the store. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I just like to make my own things. So I got this avocado and I thought, you know what, let's do some things. I'm gonna cut the avocado into tiny pieces because then it's much more easier to like mash it, to like mash everything. So after mashing the avocado, I'm going to be adding the onions and garlic. I have been actually loving eating raw onions and garlic these few months. I don't know. I'm not a fan of eating raw garlic, but for no reason, this last month I have been craving like raw garlic, just raw garlic. I can make garlic with salad. I just don't know. I just loved it. I don't know where it's coming from, but so far so good. I'm loving it. So I added the onions and the garlic and then added some few drops of lemon. And then I went in with the black pepper. And here I have my biscuits. When I tell you this tastes delicious, this tastes so delicious. It tastes really delicious. I'm a small eater. Like I eat a lot, but the problem is I don't eat like a large quantity of food, so therefore it looks like I don't eat, and it doesn't really show on my body that I eat that much. But trust me, I eat a lot. The thing with me is that my body burns fats very quickly. My body doesn't really store fats that much, so for me it's very easy for me to gain weight, for me to lose weight, and very difficult to gain weight. So gaining weight for me, it's quite a challenge, but so far I love the way I'm looking. I love where I am right now, and I still do take my smoothie. I'm not stopping with my smoothie. I eat a lot of fruit and I eat quite healthy, honestly speaking. If I can say that myself, I eat quite healthy. And so yeah, this was my snacks for the day, for the moment, because definitely I went and eat something later on. But this is what I have: some blueberries and my salad and some Kool-Aid. It was delicious and I really enjoy it.